Hi everyone! Today let's create an easy Dollar Tree frog garden decoration. Okay, so for this you'll need one wooden frog decoration. I picked mine up at my local Dollar Tree. I'm also using some acrylic paint. I have green, orange, brown, and I'm also using a metallic gold and bronze. I'm also using floral cutters, and I have some artificial flowers here. And I picked these little mushrooms up at my local Dollar Tree as well. And you'll need, adhesive. I'm using hot glue. And I'm also reusing my clay pot. It's a pot and a clay saucer. Okay, so let's start off by taking the floral cutters and removing the wooden stick attached to the frog. Because for this project, we're only going to be using the frog. Okay, so either using a paintbrush or a sponge brush, you'll go ahead and apply your acrylic paint to your frog decoration. Okay, so now we're ready to decorate the mushrooms. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use my sponge brush and I'm going to apply some acrylic paint to 3 of the mushrooms. Okay, so for my pot, I decided to add some green vines. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to take a smaller paintbrush and I'm going to create some vines on the lower section of the pot. And then after doing that, I'm going to take the same paintbrush and apply a few blossoms to the vine. Okay, so now we're ready to add the decorations to the saucer. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding some hot glue to the frog and I'll just place that on top of the moss. And I would like to mention my pot already had the moss from a previous craft, so you will need moss. And now I'm just adding some hot glue to the mushrooms and then I will add those into the or on top of the moss as well. And then after adding all 3 mushrooms, I'll add my artificial flowers. And then once you have done that, that will complete your frog garden decoration. Okay, so once you have added your decorations, your garden display is complete. You can add this to a cozy corner, a tiered tray, or to a mantle. Thank you all so much for joining me and creating this with me. And thank you to those who continue to support my channel. I appreciate you so much.